So we can now get, post and put when working with our API platform album resources, and it would be super nice to round off with a delete implementation, so let's do that. As we've already covered in the previous videos, in the API platform tutorial, mostly the hard work has been done already for us. If we weren't customizing our operations slightly, there's very little that we'd need to do after simply defining our entity or data model. Let's start by looking at our existing bhat test. So the delete test is a little unusual. Because we have no direct access to our database, we instead rely on consuming the API directly. And what we do is we check if the resource exists, and then we delete the resource, and then we check that the resource no longer exists. So if you've been following along with the previous videos, you'll know that as we haven't explicitly defined our delete item operation, yet we have defined some custom item operations, then the delete route won't exist at this point. We need to add in another annotation, and again, it's very easy. It's pretty much just copy and paste with what we had for get and put. After doing this, we get back the expected route, and we can check this with the debug router output, and then we can run our test. It's probably the easiest one yet. At this stage, all we have left to do are the error checks.